Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be doing a Play-Doh watermelon slice. Cool, huh? They look delicious, but remember, you can't eat them. So for this you're going to need a Play-Doh knife, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and green Play-Doh. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to flatten out your red Play-Doh. I'm making 2 watermelon slices, so I'm flattening out 2 bits of the Play-Doh. We're then going to use our knife to cut it into a triangle shape. But don't forget to round the top. Next we're going to make the rind. We do that using the green. Attach it at the top like so and cut off any extra. Now, to give it a bit of detail, we're going to line it with a thin strip of white. Like this. And of course, don't forget the pips. Don't these look delicious? And there you have it, watermelon slices made out of Play-Doh. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone.